Rahim Zulfikar Ali. In this video tutorial, we will be experimenting a data transformation challenge or issue, and we will be solving this scenario with multiple solutions, and there could be possibly many solutions there as well. So this is regarding Microsoft Excel. So I am taking this challenge or scenario from Maven Analytics platform. The name is splitting the field. So let me read the objective of this particular challenge, and then I will show you how we can solve this in easy ways. Okay. So it says your data set contains the names of all the baseball players from the 2025 MLB season, along with their teams and positions. A player qualifies for a position by starting at least 20 games and at that position in the field or 5 games as a pitcher. Your task is to aggregate this data and return a table counting the number of players at each position, sorted from highest to lowest. Okay. Note, if a player has multiple positions, they will count towards each position they played. Okay. And this is the basically a scenario. The data, you can see there are 3 columns: name, team, and position. And we need to transform this particular data as an output. So we need all the positions as a unique values and the count. Okay. The question which is being asked here is we need to submit the solution. You can download the data set as well. How many players make up the third most popular position? So we need to tell or write our answer here and then submit, and to check that if we have created the solution very rightly or not. So it says how many players make up the third most popular position. Okay. Now I have already downloaded the data set and I have opened this into Microsoft Excel. So there is a file called baseball_positions.csv. Okay. And we have these 3 columns. Let me show you the data. So there are approximately 1101 records. The first definitely row is the headers. Okay. So we have almost 1100 records here. Okay. So I will be solving this with the help of Power Query. There is another way you can use dynamic array formulas. Okay. So I'm trying to build easy solutions in this video tutorial. So we'll be using Power Query. We will also look at to solve with Copilot, which is available in the licensed version of Excel 365 version. Okay. So we'll be seeing artificial intelligence and our normal skill practice of Power Query in this video tutorial. Okay. So let's get started. So quickly I will select the data, make it into a table format. So I will selected the data and press the Control T, which is the shortcut key. Make sure my table has headers as a check. Click OK. Okay. So the default name is table 1 here. Okay. You can rename this as data or any other name you would like to. The next thing, to go to the Power Query, I will go to the data tab, and here I will click within the get and transform group. I will click on from table or range. So it will open up a window of Power Query editor where we will do the data transformation task. So it will take few seconds more to open that window. All right, so now you can see that Power Query editor window is there. All right, I hope the users are already familiar about the Power Query. So what we need is we need to basically split the positions for each of the name. Okay, so how are we going to do that? So right click, we have already selected the position column. Right click, split column by delimiter. All right, so we'll select the custom, and that is slash each occurrence of the delimiter, and let's click OK. All right, now we have got this 3 columns. Okay, so what we will do, we will select these 3 columns. We'll go to the transform and click on unpivot columns. All right, then we don't need the name, team, and attribute. So we'll select them and right click remove columns. And we now just have value column. So we'll group this to have a count as well and a unique list of all the positions. So We'll click on group by, which is in the transform tab. So let's click on group by. The column which is selected name is value. New column name is count, and we'll select count rows in the operations. Okay, let's click OK. All right, so we got each position unique name here and their count as well. We need to sort this from high to low. So we'll select descending. All right, let's rename value to positions. All right. So what we are doing is we are trying to definitely creating that particular view which I showed you on the website. Let me show you again. So that what we were required from this particular data, right? So we are doing this in Power Query. Now our data has been transformed. Let's go to Home tab and close and load. So that will open a new worksheet where our transformed data will be loaded in next few seconds. All right, so here it is. So we got that the third most position is RP, which is 222. Okay, so let's write the answer there. So it says how many players make up to the third most popular position, that is here RP 222. So let's write the answer and let's click on submit. All right, so it says submit your solutions. Nice job, you nailed it. Your solution was correct. Keep it up and share your success on LinkedIn, right? So this means that we have correctly solved with the help of Power Query, right? And you can see that, right? So I recommend that you should learn Power Query. That's a data transformation tool which is available in Power BI as well and Excel as well. Okay. All right, so that was easy solution. If you have a command in dynamic array formulas, you can write that as well. That will also give you a leverage for exploring and learning something new. Now, as we know that artificial intelligence is being discussed all around, right? So we will be solving this with the on Copilot that is available in the Home tab. So the first thing is that Copilot says that this file type is not supported by Copilot. Save this file as a modern file format such as .xlsx. So it will not be able to read .csv extension file. So first thing is I need to save it as xlsx. So let's do it. We will go to the file tab and click on save as and change the extension. All right, so after saving this file as .xlsx, now we can write the message here. Okay, so let me go. So I have provided the prompt to the Copilot, and the Copilot has provided this response as you can see here, and it provide me that particular grid and it shows me RP with 222. That what we exactly extracted from the Power Query. So you can see that the artificial intelligence AI and our as an skill is being right kind of similar thing here. Okay, so that's a awesome thing. So this is being solved by Copilot.